Hey guys, it's Wild Slimes, and today I'm going to be reviewing Slimesweetpea, an underrated slime shop. Sally is the kindest and sweetest person ever, so definitely go check her shop out. Link will be in the description, as well as my shop, so you can buy my bomb slimes. And yeah, enjoy the video. So this is me, not in the voiceover. I'm just showing you. These two are from Slimesbykale. If you want to see all the extras and everything I got in this package, definitely go see my unboxing video. And then this is all the Slimesweetpea stuff, and these extra came in this cute little, whatever it's called. So yeah. So right here is, I don't know how you pronounce this, but Tanghulu, I don't know. And then it comes with this little clear topping, and then these cute little raspberries, which you'll see later. And then this one is melted moonstick. It's a clear slime and it's so pretty. And then just some Starburst. So isn't this just so cute? This will go on my mixer along with a bunch of other stickers. And then some borax and her business card. Okay, proof that I put it on my mixer along with so many other stickers. You guys, okay, sorry I'm speaking, but this is so thick. Oh my god, I would honestly buy this just for the base. So thick. Let me smell it. Oh my god, I know what this scent is. I won't tell you guys, but I know what it is and it smells so good. By the way, that dot, I think I just got it in there. But oh my gosh. So let's mix it. Wait, before I do that, look at how freaking clear this is. Oh my. Why do I feel like I have to whisper? Oh my god. So yeah, that's the candied sugar. And then here's the raspberries. Oh my god, it's so cute. I'm gonna take this. This is the cutest thing ever. I'm just gonna let that sit a little. I know I said I'd do it fully ASMR, but I will when this is like ready to go. Okay, so this is kind of feeling kind of tough, but that's totally understandable because, you know, it's the winter. But oh my god, it's smells so good. It's so pretty. The presentation is on point. And yeah, this is honestly so amazing. And I know from seeing a bunch of videos of her slimes that this is going to be super inflating. And you guys know that I'm so amazing at inflating stuff, you know. So I'm gonna add some lotion and I'll be back. So I just, you know, added some lotion and this is so amazing. Oh my gosh. Guys, I hate when it does that. Because, yeah. But it's so thick, but it also feels like it's gonna be super inflating. But yeah. So I'm gonna keep inflating this. And let's see how far it will go. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is truly amazing. And I didn't think it could get any better, but look at that. Look at that. Oh my. Oh my gosh. That is amazing. Of course, it has to do that again. I have no idea why my tripod does that, but okay, I'd honestly give this like a 9.5 out of 10. It's an amazing slime, amazing presentation. But I would say it was kinda like too thick in the beginning and it was hard to mix. And there is kind of like, the scent has kind of like an undertone of glue, which is totally understandable because this is glue, hello. And yeah, it's super inflating, super sizzly, and all of that. This one is called Melted Moonstick, and I'll explain about it later, but it's a really nice clear slime. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is Melted Moonstick, and it's so pretty. This is the cutest slime ever. And oh my gosh, when I tell you that this is thick, it is thick. And it's got all these glitters and pom-poms in it. And I just love it. I would say it's unscented, but there is like a little, oh my god, I'm so sick right now, I'm sorry. But there is a little bit of like a citrus scent. And this is super bubbly. So yeah, it did get not so clear, not so slowly, but that's totally fine. I mean, I have to give it up for Sally because this is an amazing clear slime, and I don't know how she does it. Honestly, I think that slimy palettes, Liz, you better watch out, cause Slimesweetpea is coming for you. Oh my gosh, I don't think I've ever done a slimy palettes review before. Well, whatever. I love this slime. 10 out of 10. Actually, no, like 9.5 out of 10 because this is like amazing, but it does have like, it's kind of like too thick, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's it for Slimesweetpea. Overall, I'd say she got really amazing and cute slimes that you guys should all try out. And I love them both. They're both so amazing, and I definitely recommend. So these next two slimes are from Slimesbykale. She's really nice, and we traded. So they're both really crunchy and sizzly. This one's called Big A Ice Cream Bar, I think, and it's super crunchy. All these foam beads. And then this one is called Bumblebee. It's super sizzly. It smells amazing. It smells like honey, actually. And it's super crunchy. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in my next one. Check out my shop, and bye!